He goes so slow. Isn't it cool? Yeah, it's cool.
I wonder what he's doing with those spikes, do you know?
No!
Cameron, you went to a cranberry bog. What's he doing with those spikes?
Oh, somewhere he needs get the vine chopped up and make the cranberries come up. So when the sun comes, they can just all round it up. So.
Oh. But I thought, see all the cranberries floating to the surface?
Oh my God!
He's stirring them all up off the bottom. Is that what he's doing?
Oh my God, the wheels! But how can the wheels touch that bottom? Oh.
Am I blocking their road?